Yesterday's thunderstorms have cleared, a drier day ahead, but staying hot and humid. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday.
Some open bus tour.
Yeah, the victory parade, it caused carnage. If you had the torrential thunderstorms, they came as soon as they went. Now, first of all, we've got some incredible footage of Golders Green where the torrential thunderstorms arrived, Instagram stories, and they had to delay. Weather could nearly have put us up into that, but thankfully they had the parade, they had some sunshine, it was pretty loud. There's not much in the way of the forecast today. Here's the details. We had that heat and humidity, and not everybody had the storms, but boy, if you got them, did you notice it? The hail was intense and huge, and this is the radar sequence and the lightning strikes from yesterday, heading from the home counties right up towards Manchester and northern areas.
Rain, but where I was standing, like 20, 30 yards, it was like theatrical rain.
It's because the whole atmosphere can't go up at the same time. So it goes up here, hits the atmosphere, and then goes down the other side. So you have the storm here and then clear either side.
Right. I've never seen such a localised downpour. It's quite extraordinary.
Where's the video footage?
Yeah,
Actually, yesterday I sent Charlotte out to collect hail for me because I didn't want to get that wet, so that's what I did.
OK.
I have that in my map just a moment, but earlier we're talking about thunderstorms and how they have this definite edge to them. And this is a picture my friend took, top temperature, 29, maybe just 30 degrees Celsius, a little cooler along these North Sea coasts. But how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Well, we've had the heat, we've had the humidity, and we've had the thunderstorms. And for many, it's just been too hot, a little bit too much. Temperature-wise, across the north of the UK, still way above average, but tailing off a little into the weekend and to next week. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK. The rest of the week, largely fine and dry, a few showers into next week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales. The hot and humid is slowly starting to sink away. Temperatures not into the 30s, but into the high and then mid-20s as we head through to next week. Weather-wise, it's looking largely dry as we head through the coming days, with it being less humid, with the chance of some showers as we head into next week. Yesterday was hot and humid. We had the torrential thunderstorms. 35,000 lightning strikes on the radar sequence yesterday, heading from the home counties through the Midlands, across Wales and northwest England, all continuing to track northwestwards. But they cleared overnight. The humidity and the heat stayed with us, and overnight temperatures held up for some of us 19 degrees. Thankfully, if the heat and humidity and thunderstorms too much for you, it turns drier and less humid this week. But for today, we have some showers for northwest Scotland and Northern Ireland, but elsewhere it is looking largely dry. So a very different feel for the weather today. More in the way of sunshine, wall-to-wall blue skies, other than the showers in the north and west, and still very warm, highs today at 30 degrees Celsius.